welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we off color inversion in our Samsung phone. Friends, you want to off your color inversion in your Samsung phone. So how can you turn off in this video friends? I will show you guys how can we off color inversion in our Samsung phone. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like my video. So first of all guys we will on our phone setting. Guys we will scroll it. Friends, you can see guys your phone accessibility setting. Friends, tap here. Guys, click on second option, visibility option, and guys scroll it. Friends, you can see this your color inversion mode setting. So friends, you want to off, so friends you can off from this right side, tap here. So guys, now you can see that everything is fine in your phone. Your color problem will off, this color inversion will off in your Samsung phone guys, everything is fine. So like that guys, you want to turn off your color inversion mode, so then you can off it in your Samsung mobile. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys, we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye guys.